Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a payment method in Behance. To begin, open Behance and look to the upper right area of your screen where your profile options are located. This is where you'll usually find access to your account menu and personal settings. Click on your Behance profile to open that menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to the part of your account where you can manage important preferences and payment-related options. If you don't see everything right away, that's normal. Some options may appear farther down the page. Next, scroll through the settings page until you find the option labeled Continue with PayPal. This is the section Behance uses to help connect a payment method for receiving funds or setting up payment-related features. Take your time here and make sure you've selected the correct option before moving forward. Once you click Continue with PayPal, you'll be taken to PayPal to continue the setup. At this point, simply follow the instructions shown on your screen. The exact screens may vary depending on whether you already have a PayPal account set up or whether you need to complete additional account verification. Just continue through the prompts carefully and review each page before confirming anything. After you finish on PayPal, return to Behance. In many cases, Behance will either redirect you automatically or you can manually switch back to your Behance tab or window. Once you're back, continue in the payment section of your settings. Now scroll again until you find Stripe. Just like with PayPal, follow the on-screen instructions provided there. Stripe may ask you to complete setup information directly on its platform, and the process can differ slightly depending on your region or account status. The most important thing is to follow the prompts shown to you and complete any required fields accurately. When you finish the Stripe setup and return to Behance, your payment method should now be added. At this stage, it's a good idea to quickly review the payment section to make sure everything appears connected properly. If something looks incomplete, you may need to reopen the connection flow and finish any remaining prompts. And that's it. You've now added a payment method in Behance. If you run into any issues during setup, double check that your browser allows pop-ups and that you're signed into the correct accounts before starting again.